Hey Pixar lovers, so here we keep you're not subscribing to this channel, so we consider subscribing to this channel right now so I can give you reviews, unboxing, and some exciting videos for you guys. So let's get into this episode.
Open your head!
My head's already open.
Wow, really? You're giving me... No! What the... Why'd you put $20 in there? The reason I did that, to motivate you, because you haven't done chores for the past 2 weeks! But 2 weeks, what? You didn't even let me do it. If you want to get 20 bucks, you're gonna clean. I mean clean! But you can't make me clean. Yes, I can. Just starting right now. Hey! Alright, what are you gonna do with this? It's a spork. Yes, correctly. What are you gonna do with it? Gonna eat it? No, you fool! You're a fool here. You're a fool incompoop. Take tape and put it on the wall. What? You can't make me do it. Oh, you want me to try? Oh, yes, sir.
Done. Lining, I'm done. Alright, would you...
Stop strangling me. You just had to put a spork in my wall. Really? You told me to do like... Help me. I can't breathe. Ouch! You know what? Paint the fence. I'm sorry, what? Paint the fence! Okay, what should I supposed to do? Take this brush and take this white paint and paint that fence. All the fences. What? You're gonna make me paint all that fence? The pegs? Just to do a little chore? That's a huge chore. No, it's your work now. So get to painting. Now! I am not doing... Do it! Fine. I don't know how it's gonna take too long. It's really hard. I don't even put paint in it. This is hard. I can't do this. This is hard. Huh. Wait a second. I got it. Alright. Okay, I'm done. I'm blinding! The fence is painted. Okay, let me see in it. That is not painted! What do you mean? I mean, look! It's not painted! It's regular brown! It's ugly! Why I'm not painting that fence! Quitter! No, I'm not doing that again! You're going to paint this fence with this stick! I'm not painting with that! Look, I don't understand anymore. Every time something gets a little bit boring, you constantly make me do something I don't want to do. That's correct. I need you to paint the fence, and I need you to keep you busy. Wait, you're just a man? You want me kept busy for some reason? What the heck is your problem? It's none of your business. Now paint the fence. I'm not painting no fence. Okay, paint the tree. I'm not painting the tree. Okay, I gotta paint the house. It's gonna take me a while. What am I gonna paint? I'm not painting with that. Oh, you're just a... Look, you need to do your chores right now. You haven't done your chores all week. Wait a second. I know what's going on. You're bored because you're exhausted and you need to keep you busy. What? I'm not bored or busy or miserably. I think he's correct. But I am not miserably. I think I know what gets off your mind. What do you mean? Where are you going? Wait, why are you on my suitcase? Wait, what are you doing? Why are you packing my stuff? Okay, done. What are you doing? I'm packing your stuff. Okay, I just booked you a hotel at Hawaii, and I booked you... No. I booked you a hotel of Florida, and I'm booking you... And some tickets. One ticket to an airport. Plane tickets to Florida. Wait, hold on a second. You just booked me out of my house? No. I'm just giving you a vacation for like 3 days. 3 days? It's like 72 hours. Who's gonna take over the house for me? Don't worry, I'm just gonna get someone to do it for you. Who's gonna boss you around? Okay, I will not do that. But maybe I could cancel it. No, you're gonna go to your vacation. Okay, guess I can. Whatever you say. But if something bad happens, you're gonna regret this. No problem. Where is Lightning? Oh, I just sent him to vacation. You killed him? No, why do you think I killed him? I don't know, it just sounds like a code for killing to me. Oh. No, I took him to No, I booked him on the airport for Florida. He won't be back until like 3 days. Okay, so what are we gonna do? I guess you're gonna be in charge. What the heck? Why me? Well, you're a little bit responsible, and you're kind of a little bit... You're getting all the lightning. That's fair. So, what do you want to do today? I don't know. Well, guys, it's literally been 3 days since Lightning's been in vacation, and I heard he's coming back. Well, let's see how he did his vacation. It went great! What the heck? How'd you get in there so fast? Man, I think you did me a favor. Man, that was a good vacation. Like, I went to Disney World. I went to the beach. And I went to that delicious hot dog stand. Oh man, that was a good times. Wait, you're saying you went there? About me? Yeah, it's literally my vacation. No! That was a good one.
Hey Pixar lovers, so here we keep you're not subscribing to this channel, so we kids are subscribing to this channel right now so I can give you reviews, unboxing, and some exciting videos for you guys. So let's get into this episode.